Welcome to Fishtown, Michigan. Where are we, Danette?
We are in Fishtown in Michigan.
Fishtown, Michigan. How interesting. How'd you find this?
I don't really know.
She doesn't really know. Just found Fishtown, Michigan. We're gonna go in and check it out.
Let's do it.
Okay. We noticed the marina, so we decided to take a quick walk through there before heading into the channel where Fishtown is located. How clear that water is, though.
Yeah.
Even in a little harbor like this, and the water's so clear. From fishing charters to privately owned, there's quite a few boats moored here. A quick walk across the parking lot, and voila! You are in historic Fishtown. Fishtown is a collection of weathered fishing shanties, smokehouses, overhanging docks, fish tugs, and charter boats along the Leland River in Leland, Michigan. As early as 1880, commercial fishermen sailed out of this harbor to catch trout and whitefish. A charter boat just came in, and the deckhand was kind enough to show us the catch of the day.
What is it, Bob? What is it?
This right here and the one that he grabbed are king salmon, and these are lake trout.
Wow.
Awesome.
They came off the white cap, the charter boat.
Cool.
Cool, thank you.
Fishtown is still a working fishery. The riverfront is lined by a boardwalk and old shacks that have been converted into tourist shops and eateries. Tug stuff.
Wow, what a cute place.
You gotta go into tug stuff. Fishtown looks like you're in a movie set. It must have been the sight to see. Fishing vessels tied along the boardwalks, hauling their catch into the shanties so they could be cleaned and sent off to market. Walking through the Welcome Center, they have a museum there that gives you a glimpse of the fascinating history of Fishtown. Today, efforts are being made to save Fishtown for future generations. For more information on preservation efforts, check out www.fishtownmi.org. We'll leave the link in the description below. You can't have a dam without a damn candy store. We went in and bought some sour jelly bellies. They're one of my weaknesses. I just can't say no.
You
gotta get them by the...
Oh, it just smells heavenly in here, doesn't it?
Sour jelly bellies. Oh my god.
Wow. Okay. This is kind of a fun little place to poke around.
Dogs welcome. Ice cream? Not so much. Fishtown is a pretty amazing place. I'm so glad Danette found it. Well, we're just having such a good time with you guys, we don't want to see you go. So for today, we're having a 2-for-1 Thursday. That's right, 2 videos for the price of 1. So just follow that link at the end of this video to the next episode. We're going right into the Mackinac Bridge.